Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to change the air filter in a 10th generation Civic. Now this works for the SI, it works for the Civic, it works for the CRV, it pretty much works for anything that has the 1.5 liter turbo engine in it. So first you're going to open the door, pop the hood, find the little clip under the hood and push up on it. As you can see, it's right there. So now you're looking at the engine bay. When you're looking at the engine bay, the air filter is going to be right here. You can see it's got a little air inlet on the top, and it's pretty much just held on by 4 screws. There's one right here, there's one right there, one right there, and one in the back. So when you're doing this, I recommend not using a Phillips head screwdriver, because Honda actually does not use Phillips head screws. Instead, I have this screwdriver that has removable tips on it, and if you take the tip out, it fits perfectly around all the screws. This way you're not stripping things out, because since Honda doesn't use a Phillips head screwdriver, it looks so close to a Phillips head, but it's actually a Japanese industrial standard size screwdriver, which is a little different. So if you use a Phillips head and the screws are really tight, you're going to end up stripping things out, and it's going to be a pain for when you try and put things back and get them out for the next cleaning. So you want to make sure they're all out. And that one's still a little tight. And take this one out. So I've already actually replaced the air filter. I replaced it the day I got it, and I put a K&N filter in it. As you can see, there's a K&N filter in there. But this pretty much just pops out, and then you'll take your new one and pop it in. Now there's going to be 2 different sides to the air filter. As you can see, they're a little different. This one kind of ends abruptly, and this one has a little bump on the side and then goes a little further out. So that bump out side, or the side on the top with the 3 divots in it in this case, is going to go towards the passenger side. And if you look in there, you can actually see that the shape of the air box matches the shape of the air filter. Put it back in, put your box back on nice and in place, and then just put it down. And tighten the screws back up. That's all you need to do. So now that the screws are all tight, you've officially finished changing the engine air filter. If you need any more videos on how to do anything to your car, including changing the oil, changing the cabin air filter, anything like that, just write it down in the comments and I'll make a video about it.